Introducing the 2025 Skoda Octavia SB 1.5 TSI 115 horsepower in sleek black. This manual transmission saloon is the perfect combination of style and functionality, with a 1.5 litre engine that packs a punch on the road. Loaded with comfort and tech features, this vehicle offers everything you need for a smooth and enjoyable ride. From air conditioning to Bluetooth phone connectivity, this car is designed to keep you comfortable and connected on the go. With safety features like ABS, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind knowing you're protected. Not to mention the stylish exterior features like towbar preparation and sleek chrome accents. This car is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Plus, with features like energy recuperation and a stop-start system, you can drive efficiently and eco-friendly. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information on how you can make this 2025 Skoda Octavia yours today.